If you lock the window, that's a window that gets broken. You can throw a tantrum, we can tie your shoe. If you don't feel sleepy, we'll just read until you do. No one can tell you what you think you know. Waiting for your birthday, hope to be your friend. Forgive us if we're eager, but the wait won't seem to end. No one can tell you all you need to know, but we'll help you grow, my friend. You can build a tower, we will make a road, but leave the window open so we can always bring you home.